Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to talk about select statement in SQL. So select statement in SQL is used to retrieve complete set of data from the database table. So in this tutorial we are going to see two kind of queries. First one is to select complete set of data from the database table, and second selecting some selected column from the complete set of columns available into the database table. So let's switch into the SQL Yoga. So here we are going to select the database world by using use world query, and after that to return complete set of data from database table country, we are going to write select star from country, and country is a table inside world database. So let's select these two queries and execute it. So here if we are going into the message section, then it is going to say two queries executed and two succeed. So the first query is going to return 0 rows because here we are just going to select the database by calling use statement, but the second query is going to return 239 rows. So let's see the result set. So here we can see that this country table is going to have code as a column, name as a column, continent as a column, region as a column. So here we have number of columns available inside this table. But sometime if we are just trying to select some specific column, then in that case we can just use it like this. We will write select because we are just going to retrieve the data, then name of first column. So suppose we are just going to use column name comma the second column continent, and third column as region. From table name is country. I'm going to use semicolon at the end of this query. If we are just going to execute this query, then we can see that data retrieved from the table is going to have only three columns. Those are mentioned here into the select statement. Now here we can see that it has returned near about 239 rows. But what if we are just trying to see only 5 or 10 data from the top? In that case we can just use the same query. Let me copy it, and after this from country we are going to write limit. Suppose we are just going to see 10 rows. So select this complete query and execute it. So here we can see that it has just returned 10 rows from the top. So these are three queries: to select complete set of data, to select some selected columns from the database table, and the third is going to return us only 10 row of the data from the top.